Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you on how to adjust your DPI settings on your mouse sensitivity in Windows 10. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So here you're going to search on mouse settings right there. Okay, so in your mouse settings you can see here it says cursor speed. Okay, so you can adjust your cursor speed right there, or you can go into adjust additional mouse settings, and then here you can go into your pointer options, and then you can increase or decrease your pointer speed. So that's all for this video, guys. Make sure to click apply and OK when you're done. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, peeps.